Hey guys, I'm here with Chris.
Hi.
And we decided to check out this park in Urasoe.
Urasoe Guskuato.
It's
like Castle Ruins.
Yeah, when you're on the, what is it? It's not the expressway, but like the main road, you see it on the side of the road. It has like a big slide and stuff. Some of you guys will probably recognize it. We've never been here. We just started climbing these stairs. View is already really nice. Let me turn it around. So you can see the ocean back there and the city and stuff. We're gonna go up here and check this out. Ooh-yah! What? Oh, I thought you were dabbing.
I did dab, but it was trying to get the fly out of my ear first.
So this is the castle ruins, yes?
Yes.
Urasoe Castle site.
This is not FDA approved for sure. It's ADA.
Oh, ADA, yeah. Yeah, FDA is...
Food and Drug Administration.
Yeah, food and drugs.
What does ADA stand for though? I actually don't know.
It's American
Disability Association?
Yeah.
I see.
Which way do you want to go?
We're at a crossroads, right or left?
Let's go up these stairs. It looks way more interesting.
Okay.
It also looks much harder. Oh, there's just another parking lot. We could have parked up here. Ooh, look at the view though.
Woohoo! Isn't the place we're trying to go to over there? Or no, it's over there in that direction.
The slide should be in here somewhere, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, probably that way. We'll definitely have to go down it.
It was so hard for us to get to.
Yeah, we kept making wrong turns. We're like, we want to go to that slide over there. All right, getting to the top. It's a good view.
There's Naha in that direction.
While we're here looking at this view at Urasoe Castle Ruins Park, have any of you actually been here? And is this nostalgic for you guys that have been here? Because we've never been here before, but...
And I've been here 22 years.
Yeah, and he's lived here 22 years.
Let's check out the slide part though.
Yeah, let's go on the slide. So let's walk up here, see how it goes. Why is this, isn't there stairs? Why are we doing it this way? I don't know if this is even the slide, to be honest.
Then what would this be then? And why is this such like an inefficient way to get up?
We're just gonna go back and forth on this thing.
I'm sure we're not the first idiots that have ever done this.
I feel like this is like a theme park ride or something. There's a whole queue line. There's no slide here though. The slide's gotta be that way. There's clearly no slide coming off of this thing. The slide's that way, I think. Oh wait, no, this is the highway. Oh, it's that way. How do we get to this damn slide? Ooh. Huh?
Let's look at that slide pictures in Okinawa living. Yeah, it was Okinawa.
Oh, what's his name?
Junfrey, I think.
Huh?
Junfrey.
June Frey?
Yeah. Pretty sure it's
Oh. See him. What's his name? June?
Junfrey. Junfrey.
June Frey, we just met him.
Remolar.
He's a photographer. He was up there with his camera and his gigantic lens.
I recognized him out of nowhere because I was like, oh, was I? He posts a lot of pictures on the group.
Yeah, he was okay with being in the video, but he has to go back to work. Yeah, he's a photographer in the Yeah, I Lived in Okinawa group, which I will probably post this video on now. I wasn't planning to, but yeah, really cool guy though.
Yeah.
If you see any of his photos on the Yeah, I Lived in Okinawa, thumbs up them. Anyway, yeah, we're still at the Urasoe Castle Ruins. Actually, we're at the park side now, and we're going down. We almost found this slide that we've been trying to get to for the past 2 hours, and we're very excited to go on it, so let's check it out. Yeah, it's a really long rolly pin slide. You can see on the side, it's a big green slide you can see on the side of the highway. And
we're not prepared, we don't have cardboard.
No, we don't have cardboard, but I'm excited to go on it. What is this? Ah, the slide we've been looking for. It's under construction. Ah, look how long this slide is though. This is the one. Do you guys recognize this slide? You're on this highway and you see this slide. You're coming towards Naha or wherever, Urasoe, Naha. You look on the side of the road and you're like, man, that slide looks awesome. We're here, we can't ride it. Look at this. Look how big and long that slide is. On a scale of 1 to 10, on disappointment level, where are you at on this one?
13.
13?
And actually, look, Juniper's up there. He's He's photographing us.
There he is photographing us. Our new Facebook friend. Yeah, we walked for like an hour or two, drove around trying to get to this damn slide, and it's closed. But we did get to meet June Frey.
That was a success.
So anyway, let's eat.
Yes.
I've wanted to ride that slide for years, like probably 10 plus. Because every time you go by it, like, you know, like you're on Highway 230 over here, anyone can always see it. And it's like every time you see it, it's like, man, that's just a big slide. If only I could ride it one day, and today would have been the day.
So the slide was a bust, as you can see, it's right behind us. But this little park looks pretty cool. Look at this. So we're gonna check this out, climb around. Look at this thing. It goes all over the place, goes in a loop and stuff. Chris and I are gonna try it. So let's check it out. Wow, this is crazy. Oh, jeez. Oh, how was that, Chris?
Oh yeah, fun. It's basically like a tube, you know, with nets.
That's great insight.
Well, thanks.
So, leave it to Japan. There's vending machines everywhere here. They have a couple of drink ones here and an ice cream machine, which we got ice cream. Ice cream from a vending machine. Gotta love Japan. So, that was it for our adventure at...
Urasoe Castle Ruins.
Yes, that's what it is.
Thanks for tuning in today. I mean, it was disappointment for me. Well, I say that because, like, you know, wanting to ride that slide for so long, that was like, you know, the pinnacle of it. And then turns out we can't even do it. But I mean, we did get to do a lot of things. So we got to go to the playground, which is at June Frey, go to the castle site room, which, you know, was a great view. So
Yeah.
it was still like a fun-filled day. So.
Cool. So you wanna do the outro?
Oh yeah. So, if you like this video, please be sure to subscribe right here, this is where Matt's going to put the little button.
Okay.
Also like the video, and so that way you can stay tuned. He'll post videos every other day about Japan or Okinawa. It'll be kind of a combination of both, depending on what the content is. And also, you know, give us some ideas of things that you want to see as well too, because you know, like, as someone who's lived here for 22 years, it's kind of
Hard to come up with stuff.
Yeah, exactly. It's
Yeah.
just like you don't really think about it from like someone who's been here for as long. That'll help out us a lot, and it'll also make things more interesting. So
Yeah, so whatever you guys want to see, leave it in the comments down below. He said everything else, so see you guys in the next video.